This setup instructions are for Android users, Windows PC users, and tablet users. For Android users or desktop PC users, the first thing you'll need to do is go to the Fing app, F-I-N-G, and download the app. You can get it from the Google Play Store or directly from Fing.com. Once you download that, you'll want to go into your network settings on your phone and verify that you see the Go Light listed as a network device. If it is, then go back to the Fing app and you'll see a list of devices that are on your network. You're looking for one that says generic device, and it will then have a series of numbers by it, beginning usually with 192. If you have more than one generic device, what you'll have to do is unplug the Go Light and then plug it back in while watching the Fing app, and you'll see which one appears. That would be the device that is connected as your Go Light. You want to write down this number because we'll be using it again in a few minutes. After you've done that, you can go ahead and close the Fing app. Android users can skip this next step and open a browser and enter the IP address 192.168.4.1. This setup is for Windows PC users, tablet users. The first thing you want to do is you want to connect to the network of the Go Light. So you'll go to your network settings, wherever that is on your device, and click on it and click connect. It will establish this connection. For Windows users, it's automatically going to bring you to this page. Android users, it will bring you to this. If it does not, you can go to the address 192.168.4.1. Once it brings up that page, you can then go to the selecting of your network on the Go Light. Sometimes it takes a second for it to load. Once it does, you select your network that you're using and enter your password for it. And click Save. Then it's going to bring you up to this credential page, and that means it's saved. For Windows users, you can go ahead and close that browser. Android users, you can close that as well. After you complete the network setup, double check that you've reconnected to your home network, and then you're going to open a new browser, and using the IP address you got from the Fing app, from your generic device that was listed, type that in the browser address bar. Mine's 192.168.1.103, so I'll type that in up here, and then it will take you to the configuration of the Go Light page. Here's where you're able to select from the drop-down list of all 31 teams. So you'll pick whatever team you want. And then the next section asks you about the Go Light delay. Televisions are normally delayed anywhere from 7 to 15 seconds on average. And you'll have to adjust that because if you put 0 in, the light will come on before you actually see the goal scored on TV. So if you don't want to see that mismatch, you'll have to adjust it. It may take a couple of times of you adjusting it and watching your television to determine the sync. But once it is, if you're not going to put anything in, put 0. Otherwise, put a numeric value in number of seconds. So I'm going to put in 10, and then you're going to click Submit. Don't do anything. It'll take you to the success page if it has completed everything, and you're done. Now, every time you turn on your Go Light, it will work, and remember the last settings that you saved in it. If you change your network or you want to change your teams, would be the only reasons that you would have to re-access this page again. Have a great day.